So guys, it's 2022 and with 2022, a new year, we'll be having some new tech events. So the first tech event of 2022 will be happening on February 9, which is from Samsung, which is the Samsung Unpacked event. Now you almost must have guessed it that we'll be having the new S22 series smartphones, and we'll be also getting the Galaxy Tab S8 or some more new products from Samsung. Now, as you already know that the S21 Ultra, which was launched previously, was a great phone, a balanced phone and one of the best flagship phones of 2021. The camera, the design, everything was so perfect and great about the S21 Ultra, and we also expect the same from S22 series. Now, if talking about the products, which products we'll be seeing in the Samsung Unpacked event, so the S22 series is for sure we'll be seeing the S22 Ultra, the S22 Plus and the S22 smartphone, and we'll be also seeing the Galaxy Tab S8 series, which will also include Galaxy Tab S8, S8 Plus or the S8 Ultra. We don't know, there are some rumors about the Ultra version. And now, if talking about the key specs which we'll be seeing in the S22 series smartphones, we'll be not talking about the Galaxy Tab S8 because those are still rumors, but the S22 series is for sure coming. So now talking about the main key specs. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 series will feature Android 12 and will come with Samsung's One UI 4.1 software version. And now, if talking about the processor in the S22 series smartphone, so we'll be seeing the Exynos 2200. Samsung released a video about this new processor of Samsung in the Exynos 2200 on their YouTube channel. So it is mostly that we'll be seeing the Exynos 2200 processor in the S22 series. But this series could also feature Snapdragon's new processor, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. All the Android flagships in 2022 will be having the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in them. So maybe it will be similar to that of last year, that US and China will have the Snapdragon version of S22 series and all other countries will be having the Exynos version of S22 series. And if we talk about the display, so the best in market is Samsung, and the S22 series will feature a dynamic AMOLED display with an adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz. The S22 will feature a 6.1 inch screen, the S22 Plus will come with a 6.6 inch screen, and the S22 Ultra will feature a 6.8 inch dynamic AMOLED display. And if talking about the camera in the S22 series, so the S22 and the S22 Plus will have a triple camera model in which we'll have a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera. And if talking about the camera of the main flagship, the S22 Ultra, so it will have a quad camera setup as last year, and it will have a 108 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and it will also have two telephoto cameras of 10 megapixel. The S22 and S22 Plus will both feature a 10 megapixel selfie camera, and the S22 Ultra will feature a 40 megapixel selfie camera. And now if we talk about the design of the S22 series, so the S22 and the S22 Plus have a design very similar to the newly launched S21 FE. And now if we talk about the design of the S22 Ultra, the main flagship, so according to leaks and rumors, the design of the S22 Ultra is very similar to the design of Note 20 Ultra, which was launched in 2020. And Samsung is also deciding to put a built-in S Pen in the S22 Ultra. So I think that Samsung is trying to end the Note series, and we surely know that the Note 20 Ultra was the last Note from Samsung. And if we talk about the battery capacity, so the S22 will have a 3700 mAh battery, the S22 Plus will feature a 4500 mAh battery, and the S22 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery. And there were also some rumors about the battery charging. So till now, the S21 series got a charger of 25 watt fast charging, but there are some rumors that this series will get a fast charging of 45 watt, and it will also support reverse charging and obviously wireless charging also. Samsung has also released some videos on their YouTube channel which talk about taglines like "break through the night, break the rules of light," which totally show and depict the low light photography which we'll be getting in the S22 series. And also the main tagline of the Samsung Unpacked event is the epic standard. Now it kind of annoys me because epic and standard at the same time doesn't match at all, so we'll see what they want to basically talk about. And there's one thing which even annoys me more is that there will be no more Note flagship smartphones from Samsung from now onwards, as we've already seen from the leaks and rumors that we'll be getting a built-in S Pen in the S22 Ultra. So obviously Samsung wants to end the Note series, and I think they're basically doing this to have just one flagship smartphone instead of having two at a same time. And if we talk about the prices, so according to leaks and rumors, the prices of the S22 series will be very similar to that of the S21 series. So guys, this was all about the Samsung Unpacked event 2022, which will be happening on February 9. I hope you are excited, and I am also excited about the event. And the main question is the Apple and Samsung thing, that will the S22 series beat the Apple's iPhone 13 series? Let's see, let's wait and watch. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, because I keep bringing this type of content. And also share this video to your friends who are very excited about the S22 series. Thank you.